Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you 3 simple but elegant home decor DIYs using inexpensive items like these 8x10 framed mirrors that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. For DIY number 1, I'm using 4 of the 8x10 mirrors. I used a strong adhesive and hot glue to attach all 4 mirrors together. These frame mirrors are super lightweight, so I only need 2 push pins to hang them. I used the palm of my hand to gently push the pins into the wall, and here's the finished look. Of course, you can make this design larger by simply adding more mirrors, but this 18 by 18 inch design is perfect for my foyer, and it only cost me $5. For DIY number 2, we're using 4 more of the frame mirrors along with Dollar Tree Tower Game wood pieces. Here, I'm attaching 4 of the wood pieces to my first frame mirror. I'm again using a strong adhesive and hot glue to attach all 4 frames together. For the bottom, I'm using these 7 by 3 inch wood planks also from Dollar Tree. I added 3 to the bottom and 2 to the inside in the opposite direction. To keep things simple, I added a 9-inch boxwood ball on top, and here's how DIY number 2 turned out. I plan on making a second one of these and placing them both outside in my covered deck area. For DIY number 3, I'm starting off with 6 of the framed mirrors. I'm also using 8 4.5-inch Dollar Tree mirrors. Here, I'm cutting 3 of those same 7x3" wood planks in half. I'm using the wood pieces to close the gap between each of the mirrors. I painted the exposed wood with black acrylic paint that I already had at home. Of course, I could have painted the wood pieces before I added them, but since I'm also painting the edges of the mirror, using rubbing alcohol to remove the excess worked best for me. For my last 2 frame mirrors, I'm adding a piece of the 7x3" plank to the center, but I'm also adding 2 of these 4.5" square wood planks as well. I added the wood pieces to absorb some of the weight because, yes, you guessed it, I'm gluing the larger piece right on top. I used a strong adhesive to glue the final piece on top. I then allowed the glue to dry for a full 24 hours. And here's how DIY number 3 turned out. I really love how all 3 DIYs turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.